Brothers and sisters, before I go, I want to leave you with something. Now, in the Bible, and I'm not gonna quote it exactly like it is in the book because I'm quoting off my head. All right, but you if you've done any reading, you will pick up where I'm coming from. It said something like a bird had died and Jesus, the Lord, gave it back life. What does that mean? Now, the book was written before we was born. So God knew what was going to take place in these days. So when Allah say a bird that was dead and Jesus brought it back to life, what does that mean? Well, yeah, let's check it out. There's a lot talking to you through me. We know that God used the bird in the days of Adam. We ain't talking about that bird that was dead. We know that God used the bird in the days of Lot. We ain't talking about that bird that was dead. But it's another bird that has died. And this bird was a great bird. He stood up. Dignity. He shined. He glowed. He had a great bling bling. But the bird is dying. He's losing his feathers. His wealth is leaving him. His bling bling is gone. Now, who is this great bird? Well, the bird represent the eagle, and the eagle represent the United States. The United States, our country, where we was born, where we love. This is our country, but we are dying. The great eagle has lost its will to fly. But the eagle, the bird that represents the United States, can be saved. Alhamdulillah. It can be saved. All it takes is for, say it, go on and say it, Booster, go on and say it. All it takes, brother, for the people of this world to come and have a sit down with the people that God sent to save this world. I love y'all. Y'all figure that out. Y'all figure that out. You need to come and have a sit down. Great eagle, I love you.